Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be a bit different from what you've seen about VPNs. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research document covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time with stuff you don't care about, just to make this video 15 minutes long, I'm going to cut straight to the chase. I'll tell you which VPNs are the best for taking the high road online right now, and the few things about each that actually matter. That way, you can just pick one and get on with your day. And for the nerds like me, I'll drop a link in the description so you can grab the whole research doc for free and read it anytime this year. No joke. Alright, let's get into it. Top 3 VPN services for the high road, and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for taking the high road. Why? Well, for starters, it works perfectly with the high road's online features. That's pretty important. Speed? Literally one of the fastest I tested. Low ping, no connectivity hiccups, zero packet loss, plus solid download and upload. Features? It's got more than any other. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it, it's there. Pricing and support? Solid price for what you get, and their support is top-notch. Logs? Nope, they don't keep any, that's a fact. Encryption? Best tech available. Overall, super easy to use, fast, no drama, and pretty affordable for all it offers. Negatives? 10 device limit. Second best VPN for the high road is IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward, no-nonsense VPN built purely for performance. Speed? Insanely fast, consistently low ping. No lag spikes or packet loss, just smooth gameplay while on the high road. Features? All the essentials players need and a few bonus ones. Reliable kill switch and split tunneling, which is great if you want to route just the high road through the VPN, or the opposite. Pricing and support? One of the best value for money VPNs out there. Usually cheaper than most, but delivers top-tier performance. Support is fast and helpful. Logs? Nope. They have an independently audited no-logs policy. Encryption? Top-notch AES 256. Negatives? It's US-based, a Five Eyes country, which makes privacy nerds a bit nervous, but their no-log audit checks out. Also, their server network is smaller compared to the other two. Overall, a clean, fast, secure, set-it-and-forget-it VPN. Perfect for pure performance and solid value when enjoying the high road online. Third best VPN for the high road is Private Internet Access, or PIA. Why? Massive server network and the most customization options on this list. Speed? Very good. The huge server network means you can almost always find a fast, uncrowded server nearby. Features? Packed with goodies. Kill switch, great ad blocker, and seriously the most customizable VPN here. Pricing and support? Almost always the cheapest premium option on this list. Support's pretty good and professional. Logs? Nope. Again, their no-logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption? Best tech available, and it's customizable too. Negatives? Like IPVanish, it's US-based. Plus, the app isn't as clean or user-friendly as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. Best if you're on a budget, but want a massive network and advanced features for the high road. And that's it. My top 3 picks. NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of these. For 99% of you watching, even if you just pick based on colors or logos, you'll be more than fine. They just work perfectly for the high road. Quick recap to wrap up. If you're still unsure, go with NordVPN. If you want the best all-around VPN for the high road, a premium experience with tons of features and fast speeds. Choose IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN that offers amazing value for what you pay. Pick PIA if you're on a budget but still want a VPN with a huge network and tons of advanced options. My job here is done. I gave you the answers so you don't waste your time. I've also dropped my exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description below, so you can grab the best price available. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one and let me know in the comments which one you chose. Have a beautiful day or night.